because it's like it gets so many other images and so much other negativity that they barely see. Like I wear my chain to school. Like I really have my grill and my chain. I could go to school like this. You know what I mean? Because they know I'm real. You know what I'm saying? I just took my grill out for you, but I still wear my grill. You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm Dunbar. You know what I'm saying? Like I still, just so they know you can be, you can make money and be, a cool professional and have that same look, which this might be my look since I was 16.
Oh, this is Florida. Everybody got grills.
Yeah, but I made grills. I was one of the first ones in Jacksonville to ever have a grill.
Right.
You can research that.